Hey guys, wanted to give you a quick garden update. It's September 8th. Yesterday it was 94 degrees. And today we're starting to get accumulation on the ground. It's about 32 degrees. And I can't believe we're seeing accumulation on the ground. The soil temperatures are supposed to be above 70 degrees. Yet we're getting accumulation. It's a very weird thing. You can see we got the tomatoes covered, we got the lettuce covered. Some of the kale, honestly the kale looks like maybe it's just the weight of the snow. And this is really, really wet stuff that we're talking about here. It just turns to ice in your hands. So, I have no idea what's going to be the outcome of this. We're supposed to dip down into the upper 20s. I hope it does not, because that could be really devastating for the garden. But for now, we got some chickens. We're going to get up in their coop because it's getting ready to get even colder. They've been out all day though, and they've done really, really well. They've stayed dry when they needed to. They've shown zero signs of being cold today, which is really a good thing. We weren't sure how they were going to do on colder temperatures, but they're doing great. So let's check out the chickens. Can you push against this? I think we come the other way, babe. Okay. So the chickens, they're young. They've had this ladder now for just a couple days. They haven't really learned how to go up the ladder and get where it's warm. They certainly are good at coming down it, but we're teaching them now, playing mother hen, teaching them, okay, you got to kind of go up. It's cold now, it's snowing, the flakes are getting bigger, and the sun's going to be down here pretty soon, and they need to get up where they're going to stay warm all night long.
So why did we open this egg door?
So far the biggest sufferer right now are the peppers. Man, these peppers are hurting. We get much colder, they're going to be done with. They're getting ice on the leaves. So we're going to see.
I'm thinking we need to take the peppers off.
I think we should. We should probably. Yeah, we should probably take them all. So Natalie, how are you enjoying gardening in the fall of Colorado?
It's not even fall.
It's not even fall, 2020.
Yeah.
This has been a crazy year. Okay, so we are harvesting peppers, a little bit of kale. We're gonna see what happens, but overnight I think it's gonna be pretty devastating. Unfortunately, I don't know if our cover is gonna really hold up temperature-wise. It's gonna keep the snow off, keep the frost off, but man, everything else, it's gonna get cold tonight. And we could see inches of snow. We're now just at kind of like the beginning of the snowfall. It's been raining all day. So we're just going to see what happens. We're hoping for the best. We're hoping for not complete devastation come tomorrow, but you never know, man. But September 8th, this is pretty goofy if you ask me. But what do you do?